InstaCuppa's stainless steel tea tumbler, and insulated water bottle in stylish premium matte exterior finishing, and comes with extra sports zipper lid. The stainless steel infuser gives more space for fruits, vegetables, tea, coffee, and makes infused drinks in minutes. Rust-free, and sleek and stylish, this vacuum-insulated design helps lock in heat for up to 12 hours and cold for up to 24 hours. Infuse your loose-leaf tea in minutes and keep it hot half day. It's BPA-free, so it's safe to use, odorless, and has no aftertaste. Make your protein shake in minutes with the use of our protein shaker ball and keep it cold the entire day. InstaCuppa Thermos Bottle retains any beverage flavors, leak-proof, steel-proof. This bottle is easy to clean, easy to carry, fits in the car cup holder, and fits perfectly in a backpack.